Hello everybody. The topic I am going to talk is about how important is learning English in our life. In today's global world, the importance of English cannot be denied anymore since English is the most common language spoken everywhere. English has been playing a major role in many sectors. English has an important role in the world as an international language. English is like a window to the world because by English you can learn about the world and you can get more information from the world. If you want to be a knowledgeable person, English is important to be learned. Having ability in English also will help the student to study because what he or she learns is not limited to the one in their country but also in the world. Well, learning English offers us more opportunities in life. As a college or university student, you will always be in a better and more competitive position if you speak a second language. The English language will help you to obtain academic opportunities abroad either for undergraduate, master or PhD programs. Well, according to the bigger adult side, learning English is about communication and an important part of learning English is being able to exchange views and make friends with people all over the world. Learning English helps us communicate with people, so it's very important to learn English so we can communicate and get a lot of knowledge from there. As a global language, English is used to communicate with other people from the other countries, either friends or business clients. English is useful if you like to travel. Knowing English opens a sea of social opportunities, so know and understand new cultures. According to others, Jennifer Smith said, be bilingual can only be an advantage and gives you a competitive edge when searching for jobs or maintaining your current employment. Learning English offers us professional opportunities. Usually people study the language to increase their culture or professional level. English is a language that requires more and more company so it is necessary to expand professional and personal horizon too. Being bilingual is something that more and more businesses all over the world require from their employees. The same author said learning English has positive effects on the brain. Learning a second language or learning English produce in general certain stimuli on the brain that help us to improve our skill in other areas such as creative, problem solving, reasoning or mental ability. In my personal experience, I had a profound passion for English language. I enjoy learning more and more new words and expand my vocabulary. Learning a new language is never easy. However, you can always make learning fun as long as you are motivated and interested enough. I think motivation is the desire that you have inside you to achieve a goal. A good language learner is one who is motivated to learn. The practice is also important when learning. It's very important for a language learner to be a good observer. Your practice of accent will be so much more effective if you first closely observe pronunciation, mood, and lip movements while making certain sounds and then practice. Teach English, and I think it should not be easy. However, it is the role of a successful teacher to use different teaching strategies and maybe use all available teaching aids to help a student learn and practice language. In the future, learning English I think helped me get good education and a good job. one of the main reasons that you might want to learn English is that it can help boost your career prospects. English now, the future is a very important factor that can open many doors in the workplace, because the current situation in a competitive world requires professionals to master some language like this. Thank you so